Why is it that even if your CCTV camera is HD, the footage is still blurry, especially at night? Most people think the camera is the problem, but it's not. There are only 3 simple reasons, and one of them might be affecting your CCTV right now. First reason, a dirty lens. Dust, rain, and smoke in the environment slowly build up on the camera lens. So even if you're using HD 1080p or even 4K, the image still looks blurry. Let's clean the lens using a microfiber cloth. Avoid using wet tissue to prevent scratches. Regular maintenance is important, at least once a week or twice a month. Second reason, incorrect camera positioning. This is one of the most common mistakes installers make. When the camera is pointed directly at bright lights or the sun, the image gets overexposed. Sometimes the angle is too high or too low. Set your CCTV at the proper angle, ideally at face level or focused on entry points. Avoid direct sunlight and avoid reflections from glass surfaces. Third reason, IR or night vision issues. At night, your CCTV should automatically switch to infrared mode. But if the IR LEDs are damaged or the power supply is insufficient, the video becomes black or very grainy. Check if the red infrared lights are glowing at night. If there's none, it could be a power supply issue or a faulty IR board. Bonus tip: don't just focus on the camera itself. The most important part of a CCTV system is the installation. Even if you buy an expensive camera, if it's installed incorrectly, it won't perform well. So if you now clearly understand why your CCTV is blurry, comment fix below. If you want more CCTV troubleshooting tips, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JJTECH Tech Pulse. Here we keep tech solutions simple, but the fixes are real and effective.